We are pleased to show you the 2017 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.